Thank you so much, guys, for all the love and support you've shown during the month of June. I hope you all really enjoyed the daily energy updates that were posted on my Instagram channel, Let's Paint You Pink. And now, as per the feedback we received and demand to have something new, here we are with the angel card readings. These readings are timeless. Whenever you're meant to receive these messages, it'll apply to you then. Let's begin this with sound healing, sending you unconditional love and clearing your space. Please affirm yes and type in the comment box below to receive this healing. Close your eyes and enjoy. Take a deep breath and open your eyes, and let's begin with the reading. Remember, these are just guided messages. Take this as it resonates. Card number one, the prayer, which represents your past situation. Maybe there was something you were praying for or longing for, and you felt you wouldn't get it, or it did not go as you were hoping for it to go, or did not happen as per planned. Or maybe you were sidetracked and then you were guided to something else. This situation says that surrender to the higher calling. Things may have not gone the way you probably planned for or hoped for, but they're going the way it's planned as per the divine. Try letting go of the control, and you will be able to see the bigger picture as there are better things ahead for you. Card number two, which says trickery. Again, this represents your present situation. Over here, the card says, or the message over here is that, are you manipulating your words because of fear of being rejected? Remember, it's okay to speak your truth. There's nothing wrong. It's fine to let your true desires out without fearing someone else's resentment. It's safe. Speak your truth and be honest. It is fine. Some people may not understand or appreciate what you say, but find a way to speak your truth. And be mindful and be in awareness that, is it out of fear you're ending up saying something which you completely do not resonate with? Or there's some message or something where you're not able to speak what you really need to say, where you need to say? Are you accepting things and where you do not want to accept? You're saying things where you do not want to say something. Vision, honesty, and greed. Be mindful of that and open up and speak your truth, and it'll lead you. Don't be disappointed. And also, be open to asking for help. If you're going through a difficult time and you need help, ask for it. Even if you've not received assistance in the past, in the place you were looking for. It's not necessary where you're looking for is where you will get the help from. You will receive help from places you do not expect. So it's okay. Ask, because things may be easier if you ask for help. A little support is always helpful. And be comfortable, open yourself up, and be vulnerable and speak your heart. Card number 3, abundance. Here the message is: ponder within and look further of your relationship with money. How do you look at money and what is your relationship with it? Abundance comes only to those who appreciate and who have gratitude towards it. How are you handling your finances and money? Be it, are you really doing good, and are you really appreciating it? Just, you can look in the picture and see the little girl, how one coin, she makes an effort to kind of save that coin, and the man on the left, where he drops something of gold, and yet he is hesitant to kind of collect that because it's on the drain. Instead of getting it out, he's like, oh, I don't want to put my hand in the filthy drain. Look within and be wary of your financial situation, and not make any excuses to avoid doing something. Look further and be mindful and be in gratitude for all that you received. And remember, you only receive what you ask for. So if you're facing any financial issues, sit with the angels and ask for abundance, and be appreciative and in gratitude of whatever you receive instead of asking for more and more. And tread with finances carefully. And let go of any regrets. Now let's look at our 4th card, which is gossip. Now this card represents a challenge in your current situation or the questions you've been asking for. The message here is, it's telling you to kind of pay attention. Are you appreciating the differences in different relationships or areas of your life? Or are you not able to appreciate them? As it may indicate that if you're not able to appreciate and accept people and things for who they are, you may end up losing them as you're not valuing them right now. It's about understanding. It's about, looking within. Are you resisting something? Are you misunderstanding some people or situations? Or somewhere you are not appreciating them? Look within, refocus on your life, and kind of accept the differences. And love people for who they are without wanting to change them. Okay, here we are on the last and final card, our 5th card, which represents the final, the outcome of the overall message which you have. It says enlightenment. What a beautiful card to receive. So this card basically says you will find peace. In order to find peace, you need to embrace your fears, as the only way to find the answers is through your fears. How beautiful is that? So it's telling you kind of the journey is more important than just a destination. Instead of just focusing and looking for only the goal, enjoy the journey. Walk into your fears. It'll help you grow stronger. And just see how you can kind of, get over that. Take time, reconnect to yourself, trust your intuition, and take some time out to reflect on yourself, on all your acts, your behaviors, your actions, and if things didn't come out the way you wanted of it. Like the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th card says, let go of the control, be mindful, and speak your truth without fearing rejection from people, and be in gratitude for what you've received, and more will come to you, and accept the differences. And here you will see how you will grow, and it'll bring you the courage and the support and confidence. I hope you've enjoyed the reading for today. Thank you so much. Do give your comments and feedback down below.